Who's the most likely with my friends?
Sino takot sa commitment?
Di ako panglaro, kaya kung
Sino mahilig bumalik sa ex?
ako ay marupok sa pag-ibig.
Sino mahilig mang-ghost? Sino madalas gumala?
Can you stay up all night, all night? Fuck me.
Sino mahal pa ang ex? Sino KJ sa inuman?
Baby, can I dance with you tonight?
Nakamatagal kumilos? Sino pinaka-wild?
Showing me why.
Ito ang iyakin.
Iiyakan na naman.
Pinakatamad.
O siwan tamad.
Sino ang may maraming manliligaw?
Hay nako, may pag-asa ba ako? Sabihin mo. Just know, just know, just know, just know.
Just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. Just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money.
Solo dime qué tranza, que yo me voy pa' allá, me voy pa' allá. Me dices ven pa' acá, vente pa' acá. Y ahí te voy pa' allá, me voy pa' allá. Vienes velado, pero le caigo, tú di que voy.
괜찮아 링링링링링 링링링링링 괜찮아 링링링링링 링링링링링 괜찮아 링링링링링 링링링링링 괜찮아
Pop, 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 you want it. Pop, 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 날 갖기 원해. Pop, 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 You know me as the Rizzler. I'm the Panther dressed in black. Once I give your girl the wrist face, there's no chance she's coming back.
Suspect pa ulit-ulit bumalik sa ex! Suspect magawa niya natin pa nakamubal! Suspect punenta sa nanay, naging kwento na lang din! Suspect pumunta sa bahay niya pero casual lang! Oh, suspect di mo alam kung marupok o loyal lang talaga! Suspect di pa nagsisimula natapos na! Suspect sumugal pero di pinaglaban! Ano? Go! Girl, basta pero umiyak sa walang kwentang lalaki!
Tapos pormahan ko lagi ay long sleeves na t-shirt at faded na lonta. Pero nung makilala kita, nagbagong bigla ang aking timpla. Natutuwa ko na magpariban at mag-ahit ng kilay at
Take is when I'm sipping you. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk.
And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up.
No, girl, my mood changed when you walked through the door. Before you came, it was tears on the floor. Girl, you so perfect, I think that it's working. You gave me a love, now I really want more. Girl, you so different apart from the rest. Cool, I dropped out, I don't really take tests. You gave me a love, I'm addicted like drugs. Girl, I think you the plug, you the one with the best. You did me wrong, you did me wrong, you did me wrong, you did me wrong.
I hope they play Fiend.
But it's Teacher's Day! Wala na namin!
Isang dalagang Pilipina.
May nakita kong isang babae, di ko malimutan ang kanya imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita? Ako'y di mapakali, gustong mawakan ng iyong mga kamay. Hanggang ngayon hindi mapalagay, sana ikaw ay maka.
Pull the panties off on the dance floor.
I ain't got no panties on, ain't got no panties on. I ain't got no panties on the dance floor. I ain't got no panties on, ain't got no panties on. I ain't got no panties on the dance floor.
Got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'm a dive.
There's nothing like it, not like the way you move. I can try, but I can't hide it from you.
Love it when you walk that way, maybe you a star now, we can go far, baby. Hey, love it when you walk that way, maybe you a boss, make up listen when you talk now, baby. Love it when you walk that way, maybe you a star now, we can go far. Love it when you back to the future, ballin', back to the future, ballin'. She just wanna ballin', she just wanna ballin', she just wanna ballin', she just wanna.
Reasons that you gotta. They say love me, you put me Chanel. They say love me, you put me Chanel. They say love me.
Молодыми я не права. Попробуй ман, попробуй джага-джага. Попробуй мне это надо. Мне кажется, что кружится голова.
Got me bad, 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 not a good opinion. 뭔가를 찾아 헤매는 dreams. 떠올랐어 when you're next to me. 잠시 잊혀진 나의 이름이. Oh my God. This blood's pumping crazy. Oh my God. Cause I know you save me. Come here and get some. 남겨줘 on my knee. 네 거는 증거. Just come over and bite me. Come here and get some. 널 참미할 사이에 그게 내 숙명. Just come over and bite me. It's you and me in this world. 내게로 다시 왔다며. 날 구원할 거라면 Just come kiss me and bite me. It's you and me in this world. 이 어둠 속에서 light me. 기회를 줄 거라면 Just come kiss me and bite me. 너에게 빠질게 멀어지기.
She got my phone with emergency. She got my phone with that urgency. I say, girl,
Sa mga years ko na puro mema itutok Man sa aking bakal ay etyo puwera iputok Mo kung gusto mo mag-meet siya ng gera Pwes ako kakaida, hindi kaya ihembeng Gusto nyo magbida, halatang kulang sa lambeng Angas namin natural, ibang klase yung tinde Smooth yung mga lakad ko, yung inyo tabingi Okay yung coke, tsaka JD Binaba ko muna, tumatawag kasi kuya
Face sound. Face sound challenge.
We make a face, they make a sound.
One. Hello, Marquin.
Say, wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
I should put some ice on my baby. Don't get no man no wife for my baby. Honey, some honey, money on money.
Bebas bayar. Aku lagi cari mama muda buat kasih uang sejuta. Na.
A woman stepped into the street and began to dance uncontrollably in 1518. She danced for days without stopping, and soon others joined her. Over 50 people were swept up in the bizarre dancing frenzy. The dancers moved with such intensity that some collapsed from exhaustion, and a few might have died from heart attacks and strokes. Local authorities
Gerald! Ha! Ano yun? May tinatago. Wala na makita. 1, 2, boom, boom! Panis! Yeah! Ilang kayo? May galit ba kayo sa akin? Next one! Pwede ba may limit lang yung... Si Gerald! Hindi, ikaw na. Init na makita. Wala! Sina? Gerald. Uy, isang palo lang! Makita yung screen. Ronald! Ronald! OMG! Sino si Ronald? Si Gerald! Gerald! Kanina ka pa kay Gerald. Crush mo yan, oh. Gerald! Eliud! Pagod na. 1. Christian! Sir Christian! Oh, si Sir Christian. Kala niyo, ah. Tag natin si Sir. Okay na yun. 1, 2. Sino? William! Queen! Isang palo nga lang. Unfair to. Okay, kay Adi pa yung matigas. 1. Albert! Okay. Gumana. Si Joshua! Gusto mo ba? Oo. Gerald! Gerald! Siguro transfer rin next si Gerald. Uy, nasa ulo ko. Ulit. 1. Tarzan! Last name pala. Bawal ka last name, diba? Ano siya? Oh. Ako na naman. 1. Sige, isang palo lang. Dalawa na yun.
Ethan! Ito kaya yan, bigay sa Adi. O, diba? Alis sa pala ni Adi. Alis ka dyan. Ayan. Brian! Brian! Okay. One, two, one! Isang palo lang yun. Ayoko yan. One! Isang palo lang, nakakailang palo kayo. May galit pa kayo sa isa't isa. Oh, yan. Last round. One, two! Isa lang nga daw sa mga nito. Ito talaga, Tapos last round na. Saan na yung sadder? Okay. Yan, adi umanda ka. Nakay Amber? Zab. Baka may masabi. Tayo. Ay, isa pa ba? Eliud! Bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys! Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Walang Q na pangalan. May O ba na pangalan? May Q ba? Wala. May O. Si Gerald lang ba yung G sa mundo? Orlando. Ortiz. Last name lang yun. Bye! I'm passing the phone to someone who's a cutie patootie. I'm passing the phone to someone na bulag sa red flags. I'm passing the phone to someone na nang ganon. Guys, no, okay. I'm passing the phone to someone na ginanon.
Passing the phone po sa isa pong laging nangungurot po kahit wala pong dahilan.
I'm passing the phone to someone na tawa ng malakas pero it's a slay vibe. I'm passing the phone sa sensitive ang skin pero cute ako mag-hatching sa kanya. I'm passing the phone to someone na masakit manghampas. I'm passing the phone to someone na mukhang unggoy. I'm passing the phone to someone na hindi maka-decide kung ilang percentage yung phone ko. 60, 1, 2, never know. I'm passing this phone to someone na kapag inaasar ako, okay lang. Pero pag siya, galit na galit. I'm passing the phone to someone na lagi na-attach sa letter J. I'm passing the phone to someone na kinikilig kay It's Only You. I'm passing the phone to someone who says they're very sensitive in their skin na namamantal pero nag-volleyball pa din. Hi. I'm passing the phone to someone na nagre-reklamo na wala na siyang pera pero gastos ng gastos. I'm passing the phone to a chihuahua. Sa may owner pala ng chihuahua. I'm passing the phone to someone who let a guy manipulate her tapos hindi niya ma-confront kasi naaawad siya dun sa guy. I'm passing the phone to someone na side-eye. Tama! Okay, ayaw niya. I'm passing this phone to someone na uto-uto.
I'm passing this phone to someone na nakalagi araw-araw na puro Armand, London Boy Leonardo, tapos si Nijira po.
Passing the phone to someone na super abusing, keep pinching me, and ako ang biktima dito, hindi siya. Sige, ako na lang. Ayaw na yan. I'm passing this phone to someone na crush yung science teacher namin. Crush si Franny, oh. Ayan, back to you guys. I'm passing this phone to someone na, honey bun sugar plum ko. I'm passing this phone to someone na sobrang tanong ng tanong kung ilang percent, almost everyday na, siya nagtatanong sa akin. Bad. I'm passing the phone sa unggoy. I'm passing this phone to someone na pinakamaliit sa amin. Pero pinaka-cute na pinakamaliit. Tapos, patanggalan ng bangs. I'm passing the phone to someone na carbonara hater. I'm passing the phone to someone na marupok at times. Sa pag-ibig, super rupok. Pero, okay lang yan. I'm here to give her love advice. I'm passing this phone to someone na naka-attend ng Enhypen concert. Tapos kinol kami para free concert. Yay! Pass the phone sa binradan ko ng buhok.
Pass this phone to someone na bully at in love kay JP. John Pat. Oh, di oh, yan na, yan na.
I'm passing this phone sa... Ang daming naging crush. Sa buong St. John.
I'm passing this phone sa babaeng nagkagusto sa buong grade 9.
I'm passing this phone sa nagkagusto sa basketball player.
I'm passing this... I'm passing this phone sa babaeng nagkagusto sa kuya ni Patpat.
I'm passing this phone na laging walang dalang tubig.
I'm passing this phone. I'm passing this phone sa may pagjowa sa grade 7 optimism.
I'm passing this phone to someone na mabagal kumain. Hindi ko alam. Oh.
I'm passing this phone sa babaeng nireject yung president ng Dynamism.
I'm passing this phone to someone na lagi ako sinasabayan sa kahit anong trip ko. Bye!
If the angels came for me, I tell them no. I don't wanna leave my baby alone. I don't want nobody else. If the angels came for me, I tell them no.